morning, family. Right here, checking in at ITS, also known as K-Line. Day today, I have an 8 a.m. appointment. It's 7:10 a.m. right now, and this is what it looks like on a normal busy day. Sometimes there's a long line all the way out on the street that goes to the freeway, but today the line pretty much just started from where the gate lifts up, like it just did right now. Just unlocked all my corners. Now I can roll up to the pedestal and check in with my load info. Alright, I got my load tickets. My empty has to go to E130, and then I gotta pick up my load. Let's see, out of G968. And right here, you gotta check in with this booth. This is where they check your twin card, your ID, and they want to see that you have tickets on you already. Location. I gotta go to 30. It's right there where this top handler is. Oh. Honk 3 times, so that means I gotta go back a little bit. Looks like this machine right here is going to another block. G, so this is G right here. There's another truck waiting to get into G, looks like, so I'm gonna have to get behind this truck. Lock looks kind of full, so yeah, I gotta wait outside. Now that truck's moving forward, so I can pretty much wait where this truck was waiting at until the spot opens up, and then I'll be able to drive in there. So if this truck leaves me enough space behind him, then I can go behind and then just wait for the line to keep moving forward until I get to my spot. This is spot 85 or 84 actually, and I gotta go up to 68. I think 68 will probably be like a couple spots ahead of this truck. Alright, now the yard clerk's telling me to go ahead around this truck, and he's gonna meet me at my spot. He told me to go behind this white truck after it pulls forward. Now he's writing the location on my chassis, so it could be easier for the crane operator to see. Looks like he's just digging out containers to get to this guy's load. Nice. Now the machine just has to move back and then get my can and load me up. Not bad. Nice. Lately right here at ITS, it's been pretty quick. sometimes you get unlucky and you gotta wait in a long ass line like this right here. Like this line probably has about at least 20 trucks. I just gotta go to these pedestals right here, get my outgate ticket, and then I can deliver my load. Stop right here at one of these stop signs. Get out, lock my corners. And we're out of here. I locked up my corners, then I got my outgate ticket. Now I can go ahead and deliver this load to Bloomington, which is about 60 miles. It's about $400. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut the video right here. If you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate you, and hope you have an awesome day. See you on the next one.